Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in tech and finance to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling a hot topic: how to withdraw Bitcoin from Cash App to your bank account in 2025. Whether you're cashing out your investments or just getting started with Bitcoin, this step-by-step guide will have you sorted in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure your Cash App is up to date, as features might have changed by 2025. Open the app on your phone and log in with your credentials. If you haven't already, verify your identity. It's a quick step that ensures your account is secure. Once you're logged in, head over to the Bitcoin tab. This is usually at the bottom of the screen, represented by a little BTC icon. Here, you'll see your Bitcoin balance. If you have Bitcoin you want to withdraw, tap on it to select the amount. Remember, in 2025, Bitcoin prices might be volatile, so double-check the current value before proceeding. Next, choose the option to sell or withdraw your Bitcoin. Cash App will convert it to your local currency, like USD, and show you any fees involved, typically around 1 to 2% or a flat rate. Be mindful of these to avoid surprises. After confirming the sale, you'll have the cash in your Cash App balance. Now, for the withdrawal part. Go to the Bank or Money section in the app. Select your linked bank account. Make sure it's already connected. If not, you'll need to add it first. Enter the amount you want to transfer and hit Confirm. Depending on your bank, this could take 1 to 3 business days to appear in your account. A quick tip: always use secure networks when handling crypto, and keep an eye on your transaction history for any discrepancies. By 2025, with advancements in blockchain, withdrawals might be even faster, but always verify with the app's help section if you run into issues. And there you have it. That's how you withdraw Bitcoin from Cash App to your bank account in 2025. It's straightforward once you know the steps, but if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more guides like this. Thanks for watching, and stay savvy with your finances.